What's up, everyone? Let's be real, Venmo is awesome for splitting that last-minute pizza order or quickly sending cash to your friends. But have you ever tried to withdraw a big chunk of change and wondered, hold up, is there a limit to how much I can actually take out? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo withdrawals, uncovering those pesky limits, and figuring out how to maximize your cash flow. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Venmo actually is. For the uninitiated, Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment platform. Think of it as a super easy way to send and receive money from friends, family, and even businesses. It's basically digital cash, making it perfect for those impulse buys, splitting bills, and even getting paid back for that ride-sharing you graciously offered. But here's the thing, Venmo isn't just for sending money. You can also use it to withdraw funds into your linked bank account. That's where things get interesting, those withdrawal limits. Now, the big question, how much can you actually withdraw from Venmo per day? Unfortunately, there's no single, universal answer. Venmo's withdrawal limits can vary depending on a few key factors. Your Venmo account age, newer accounts generally have lower withdrawal limits. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and ensure you're a legitimate user. Your account activity, consistent and responsible use of Venmo can gradually increase your withdrawal limits. Your verification level, Venmo offers different verification levels, and higher levels usually come with higher withdrawal limits. Withdrawal method, the method you choose to withdraw funds, bank transfer, instant transfer, can also impact the daily limit. Breaking down the limits. Standard limits. For most users, you're likely looking at daily withdrawal limits ranging from a few $100s to a few $1,000s. Instant transfers are super convenient, but they often come with lower limits and higher fees. Bank transfers. Traditional bank transfers usually have higher limits but take longer to process. Tips to increase your withdrawal limits. Verify your account. The more information you provide to Venmo, like your full name, date of birth, and social security number, the higher your trust level and potential withdrawal limits. Increase account activity. Regularly use Venmo for everyday transactions to build a history of responsible use. Avoid suspicious activity. Abruptly increasing your withdrawal activity or engaging in transactions that seem out of the ordinary can trigger red flags and potentially lower your limits. Contact Venmo support. If you believe your withdrawal limits are unfairly low or you're facing unexpected restrictions, reach out to Venmo's customer support for assistance. Addressing common concerns. I need to withdraw a large sum urgently. What are my options? If you need to withdraw a significant amount exceeding your daily limit, you might need to plan your withdrawals in advance or explore alternative options like withdrawing in smaller increments over several days. What are the fees associated with withdrawals? Venmo typically charges fees for instant transfers. Standard bank transfers are usually free. How long does it take for funds to reach my bank account? Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers are typically processed within minutes. Safety and security. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Be wary of phishing scams and suspicious links. Only send money to people you know and trust. Review your transaction history regularly for any unauthorized activity. Venmo can be a fantastic tool for managing your finances, but understanding its withdrawal limits is crucial. By following the tips and best practices outlined in this video, you can maximize your withdrawal capabilities and ensure a smooth and secure experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.